Hi, everyone. We're going to talk about using Microsoft To Do as a planner calendar tool. So you're going to go to the Avila website, go over here to quick links, click on current students. You're going to scroll down to your campus email. So it's going to ask you to log in, but I'm already logged in, which is why it popped up. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see a check mark. Click on that, and that will open up Microsoft To Do. So here is where you would see tasks that you're wanting to get done today. Important tasks are things that you star and mark as high priority. Planned tasks are things that have a definite due date of when you need to get them done. If you are working on a group project, you can assign tasks to other people or have them assign tasks to you. You can flag emails in your inbox and then it'll pop up here so you know that you need to get something done that was sent in that email. All your tasks are housed right here that don't have planned due dates. So right now I have update my LinkedIn, update my resume, and then do my psychology homework. So categorize your tasks or to organize them, you can add a work list. And these are things that you would have to do for work. You can add a life list for things you do for your life. And then you can add a school list. And these can be the things that you specifically have to do for class. For your econ exam, or for the econ exam that I have here, you can add steps to complete your overall task. So for my econ exam, I need to study, meet with my study group, and review the study guide. And I can add some more steps if I wanted to. You can add that to my day, which is where we started in the beginning. You can set reminders so that you know, like, hey, today is due on Monday. So on Friday, let's set a reminder to make sure I'm working on it. You can add a repeating schedule if this is something that goes on all the time. If you want to color code, you can pick different color categories down here. You can also add files. So say for reviewing the study guide, you can attach the study guide here as a file. And then you can also add notes. So the note that I added was that this exam was over chapter 2. And then once you add in all of that, it'll come up right here. If you want to sort something, maybe in alphabetical order, sort it by importance or due date, you can do that as well. So let's do that alphabetically. So that is how you use Microsoft To Do, and you can access it right there in your Outlook account.